everyone, my name is Miss Maria.
And I'm Miss Brittany.
And we are employees in the Alcosan Scholastic Outreach Department. Today we are going to show you an activity that is suitable for students in kindergarten through 5th grade called Nature Art. You will have the opportunity to find items in nature and use them as inspiration to create a piece of art. Here's what you'll do. Grab a bag, head outside, and collect any items that you find as interesting, fascinating, and unique. Anything goes, just make sure you are being safe and always watch out for those prickly plants. Some ideas of items you can collect are rocks, twigs, leaves, acorns, pine cones, blades of grass, straw, or even tree bark. Remember, these are just a few ideas, but you can use anything you want to create your masterpiece.
So what we're going to do is go ahead and show you an example that we are doing right out here at Alcosan. We decided to create a caterpillar outside. What we did was collect 7 large rocks and chose the largest rock for its head and the rest of them for its body. Next, we picked super simple nature items that we found right out here at Alcosan. So we picked 2 flower buds for the head. Sorry, for the tentacles. Two little pieces of leaves for its eyes. And then 1 simple blade of grass for the mouth. And here's our finished caterpillar. Once you've collected your items, you're going to use them to create your nature art. Remember to be creative. You can do things like spell out your name, create a cool design or pattern, or make a representation of trees, animals, or even people. We'll go ahead and show you some examples of that soon. Next, you want to decide if you want to create your nature art indoors or outdoors. Feel free to use any art items you might have at home, such as scissors, markers, glue, and paper. Next, we're going to go ahead and show you some examples. Some of these examples Miss Maria and I created right here at Alcosan, and others can be found online. This is going to help you get those creative juices flowing.
We want to see your creation. Email a picture of your nature art masterpiece to scholasticoutreach.alcosan@gmail.com. That's scholasticoutreach.alcosan@gmail.com. Thank you so much for participating, and we can't wait to see your creations. Have fun!